So welcome students. In this question you are given a plane x minus 2y plus 2z minus 5 is equal to 0. You are asked to find the equation of a plane which is parallel to this plane and at a distance of 1 unit from origin. So the concept involved is something like this. Any plane parallel to this plane is given by x minus 2y plus 2z plus lambda is equal to 0. So if two planes are parallel, the x, y, z part remains same, only the constant changes. Now, this plane is a plane parallel to this. Any plane, as lambda changes, you get different planes parallel to the given plane. But I don't want any plane, any arbitrary plane. I want that plane which is at a unit distance from origin. So what is the distance of this from origin? Lambda by root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. C by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Mod of this is the distance from origin. This has to be equal to 1. So lambda, mod lambda is equal to 3. This implies lambda is equal to plus or minus 3. Lambda is equal to plus or minus 3. So the equation of the required plane is x minus 2y plus 2z plus or minus 3 is equal to 0. Thank you.